Hello everyone, I am Dr. Praveen Kumar, Consultant Child and Adolescent Psychiatrist at Institute of Neurosciences, Kolkata. The evidence supporting role of telehealth is very strong. The studies have consistently shown that it promotes the continuity of care, decreases the cost of care, and improves the patient's self-management skills, and overall it improves the clinical outcomes.
The concept of telepsychiatry in our country is not new. Previously, it has been implemented and tested in different models in different parts of the country. First time, it has been implemented post-super cyclone in certain disaster-affected parts of our country and has been of great help. So we feel that at this moment of national crisis, telepsychiatry can indeed bridge the gap between the doctor and the patients in need of essential services.
Hello, I am Dr. Shobhik Chakraborty, Consultant Psychiatrist of Institute of Neuroscience, Kolkata. We are on the edge of a major expansion of virtual care. When there is so much demand from the consumers, the industry must take it. But for healthcare service providers, implementing a comprehensive telehealth strategy is easier said than done.
I am Dr. Bhaktishri Raha from Institute of Neuroscience, Kolkata. Given recent advances, telemedicine gives patient a new way to be engaged in patient care, and it saves time and money. It is a rapidly evolving field and used for urgent and new patient care and for follow-up visits, helping everyone easily to connect with their doctors online.
Hello, I am Dr. Altaf. We view telemedicine as an important tool in increasing access to high quality, affordable healthcare, improving patient satisfaction, and reducing the cost, especially in this period of lockdown and even beyond.
Telemedicine and telecounseling is the ultimate answer where patient will get medical assistance all the time he needs. There will be no time lapse and no distance factor anyway. These are the luminaries of modern development.
The best treatment for anxiety, depression and stress can be delivered at no loss of effectiveness directly into a patient's home, rather than having the patient come into the clinic. Now we can save travel time and bring the treatment right to them.
There is evidence that satisfaction with care and quality of life can be achieved through a telehealth method of treatment just as much as in-person treatment. Therefore, resources can be devoted to providing services through telemedicine.
It is observed that consultation through telemedicine using real-time video conferencing is as effective as in-person visits. In addition, high level of satisfaction has been reported by patients, especially at times when they are not being able to travel.
Telemedicine can also help in identifying and preventing treatment-related errors between clinical visits. For example, a number of studies have shown that medications error can be significantly reduced by telemedicine.
It is not complex. It is just like another video call.
Behind the new technology is still your old doctor.
Beside you, 24/7.
Tough times demand swift response.
Times are changing and so are we.
You can count on us.
Prompt response like never before.
For better health,
You can enjoy it too.
We are just a number away.